This is Halabja, the capital of peace and resilience. It will become the 4th governorate of the Kurdistan region and the 19th governorate of Iraq. The city is nestled in a beautiful forested valley covering an area of approximately 2,000 square kilometers. It is located 75 kilometers away from Suleymaniya, additionally positioned within 117 kilometers of the border with Iran. The city is surrounded by the greenery of Hawraman and Shnirbe in the northeast, Balambo in the south, and Sirwan River in the west. Halabja is known for its tragic history as the site of a chemical attack during the Iran-Iraq War. Despite this dark incident, Halabja has endured and is now a vibrant green city with a rich cultural heritage and endless potential for development. Halabja is the birthplace of dozens of prominent Kurdish intellectuals and poets, including Mawlawi, Nali, Goran, Naqshbandi, and Ahmed Mukhtar Jaf. It is where the Kurdish dialects of Hawrami and Sorani meet. Interestingly enough, Halabja has always honored gender equality, as demonstrated by Lady Adila Jaf being one of the most important historical figures who governed the town from 1909 until her demise in 1924. This history of inclusivity and equal opportunity is a proud inheritance of Halabja, continuously practiced to this day, with several significantly influential positions being held by hardworking intellectual women. This city is a shining example of coexistence, a melting pot of different faiths, where people of Christianity, Judaism, Yarsanism, and Islam live together harmoniously. It is also home to the Naqshbandi Sheikhs of Hawraman. In recent years, the economy of Halabja has undergone a significant transformation, with agriculture and tourism emerging as two of the most important sectors. The city sits in the white plains of Sharazur, with an extraordinarily fertile soil that is acknowledged as one of the most fertile lands in the world. The land and favorable climate of the region have made it ideal for growing a variety of crops, including olives, wheat, barley, and fruits such as grapes and pomegranates. Speaking of which, recently, the first ever export of its renowned pomegranates from a national brand to Gulf countries marked the region's first non-oil export. One notable development in the agriculture industry in Halabja is the increasing interest in organic farming. The use of organic fertilizers and pest controls reduces the environmental impact of agriculture and enhances the nutritional value of crops, as well as the monetary value, which tremendously benefits the farmers. Home to exquisite nature, many archaeological and historical sites, Halabja is quickly becoming a globally popular destination for tourists. The variety of attractions offer visitors a unique experience of history, nature, and a glimpse of the local Kurdish culture and hospitality. With ongoing efforts to promote tourism, Halabja is well on its way to becoming a must-visit destination in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. One of the most popular places to visit is the Halabja Monument, which was built to commemorate the tragic victims of the chemical attack. Visitors can also explore the museum and the Martyrs Cemetery, which showcase the history of the Kurdish people and their struggles for independence and freedom. Among the most popular tourist attractions are the stunning district of Hawraman, with beautiful resorts for picnicking and scenic routes for hiking and cycling. Ahmed Awa Waterfall, a beautiful waterfall in a green valley which is crowded with thousands of national and foreign visitors annually. Biara Khanaqa, a mosque designed for spiritual retreats, for gatherings of Sufi Brotherhood of Naqshbandi Tariqa, a place which is home of many fiqhs and scholars of the Islamic world. Khurmal Pond, a tourist hotspot attracting crowds of people from across the Kurdistan region and Iraq, seeking alleviation for skin conditions from its mineral-rich waters. The Sirwan River, a great destination for fishing, kayaking, and rafting. Hawat Village, located amidst several high and snowy mountains, perfect for hiking and camping. The archaeological site of Bakrawa, an ancient settlement mound. The city has a thriving culinary scene, with local restaurants offering traditional Kurdish dishes, warm hospitality, also a bustling marketplace to purchase handicrafts and locally made souvenirs. Despite being categorized as a less developed city in the C-zone, Halabja has enormous untapped potential for economic growth. With its abundant natural resources, including fertile land, water, and minerals, it presents a unique opportunity for various industries to thrive. Some of the most promising industries are agricultural farming, poultry farming, dairy products, beekeeping, animal husbandry, and fish farming. These industries have always been integral parts of the local economy. Additionally, supporting the development of hotels, shopping malls, restaurants, cafes, and other entertainment outlets can be a crucial point towards economical revival and employment prospects. Another potential industry is mining. Extracting deposits of minerals such as gypsum, phosphate, and sulfur can boost the city with increased workforce opportunities and export revenue. Furthermore, the strategic location of Halabja, near the Iraq-Iran border, presents opportunities for cross-border trade and investment in manufacturing, energy, and education. With its cultural significance, the unique intersection of natural resources, government support, strategic location, and stability, Halabja can become a thriving hub of industry and innovation. Not only will your investment in Halabja make you one of the pioneers in your field, it will also allow you to expand and grow with little to no competition. Halabja's Chamber of Commerce and Industry, HCCI, member of KCCI, is a financially and executively independent legal NGO, which is considered as a consistent association for traders, manufacturers, and company owners. It works towards reassuring the benefits of traders in every aspect of business development. The HCCI would happily propose joint ventures and collaborative work initiatives to the investors and business owners willing to invest in Halabja. Our proposal is centered around leveraging each other's strengths and resources to achieve mutually beneficial outcomes. In return, we seek access to their expertise, networks, and resources to develop sustainable projects in agriculture, industry, and tourism. We invite all interested parties to join us in this exciting endeavor as it benefits all parties involved. Alongside these efforts, we will soon hold the first Halabja Annual Development Forum, a focused effort to discuss and implement innovative solutions to shape the future of Iraq's newly declared 19th Governorate. Let's build a new Halabja. Let's give back to the community with a brighter future, more inclusive opportunities, and prosperity.